My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are coming from the site and why that have.re.com. If you see these pop-ups on your screen, then obviously there may be a trouble happening with your browser right now. These pop-ups are extremely dangerous and they try to basically force you into subscribing to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications. The website tries to trick you into clicking on the allow button, but to click on allow is definitely a mistake. In case you do that, first of all, you may be redirected to some other deceptive site. Also, you will start receiving a lot of multiple advertisements in the right part of your screen. Some of these ads you can already see. These ads are dangerous and you shouldn't interact with them. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you should urgently fix your browser. Access the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings, go to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. And if you see any junk sites here, you need to get rid of them from this list. So make sure you find this malicious website, click on this button and delete it from the list. We also recommend that you additionally research and investigate your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and start researching your system to identify and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.